Hey guys, so my Morro minifig has been feeling just a little bit down lately. First, he hasn't had an appearance in Ninjago for almost 10 years, and when he does finally get an appearance, well, let's just say it's been a rough couple of days for our friend here. So I thought I'd build him a dragon to cheer him up since I've gotten just a few requests. I've wanted to build a dragon for him ever since I saw the head on Lloyd's forest dragon. So first off, I love this headpiece with the crackling energy design, but I don't like that it doesn't have an opening jaw. So let's build a quick lower jaw here and a neck attachment for a few menacing horns, just like Morro's original dragon. Next, let's give it a neck with more transparent green pieces to represent energy. And for the body, I want to build it around this arch piece to match the shape of the original, sort of, and to give it a little more depth. So I'm using a lot of dark green and black pieces because I want this dragon to match the look of the Morro minifigure. But I also want to use these blades from the Ideas insect set for the tail, so that means I should probably add in a little lime green to the main body as well, just to blend them together. Do these frogs make decent spikes? I hope so. I also want to add a little extra posability on the legs, so I'm going to build them with these click hinge joints for stability, and then this hinge piece for the elbows and the knees just to give it a little more posability. I ran out of the black hinges, so it looks like we're going to be including some of the original dark blue after all. And lastly, we need to attach the wings from the forest dragon, and we're all set. Morro can again cruise around Ninjago in style, but hopefully he doesn't try to become the Green Ninja again. Although Lloyd does have more than enough green robes to go around. So I'll put a part list in the description if you guys want to build your own, but don't feel like you have to use the exact same colors that I used. Although if you want to, upgrade this design and use it with one of the other ninja instead, well, don't hold back. I'm sure Kai would appreciate it. Alright, that is it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and we will see you next time.